Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from the Espresso machines. Make sure to check us out on Instagram. If you like more stuff, talk about repairs and show more photos. So this is the Profitec Pro 500 PID. So you see the temperature down there. This machine didn't go up to temperature. It had all these intermittent problem, not heating, etc. And we found a solid state relay that is on top of the controller. It was bad. Took a while to get here from Whole Latte Love, but eventually we got it. Now the machine is working. We have steam. We have hot water. And we have brew. Amazing. So we're ready to pull a shot using Pete's coffee today for testing. And let's go pre-infusion. Just a bit. 3, 2, 1. And go. A little quick, even too quick, I might say, but you get the point. It's working, and that's what's important. Alrighty, so if you like this video, if you have any questions about the repair, or you want to know more about the Profitec Pro 500, please comment below, like this video, and make sure to check us out on Instagram. Take care.